Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is 4-hour time frame. As I told you in my previous analysis, we had this trend line from upside for the price. The price touched it here and made a pin bar for us, and we could risk here an enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle and look for our risk to reward too, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. But we also had this trend line for the price, which the price is breaking it to the downside. If this candle can close like this after something like 47 minutes, then we can actually risk on that and enter sell position too, set our stop loss somewhere safe, or find a better stop loss on lower time frames, like you can put it here or even here, okay, and look for your reward. But let's check daily time frame. You can see that we were extending our trend line here. You know, it was like this at the first look. We had this one connected to this one, and when we saw those shadows from outside the trend line, we extended our trend line like this, and also here too, until we see this candle got rejected from this trend line, showing that we are doing a correct job. Let me continue this. And also you can see the price, you know, couldn't close its body above that candle. Instead it got rejected in the lower time frames. I always tell you that you can actually enter buy and sell positions in actually support and resistances. You can draw the levels on bigger time frame and trade them in the lower time frame. Like we have this trend line in the daily time frame, but on 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, we had some rejections here that we could enter sell position. But breakout is not like that, because this is the trend line for daily time frame. We should see the candle closing up of that on just daily time frame, not any other time frames. The price, if the price can break it on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price, you know, falling a bit, and even actually we can see this trend line can be broken to the downside too in the next days. Then if this trend line can be broken to the downside and a daily candle can close itself below this, for second confirmation we should wait for this support to be broken too on daily time frame. A candle close below this, then we can actually enter a sell position with more safety. Let's check 1-hour time frame too to see what we have. You know, the price is making a pin bar on 1-hour time frame, okay? It's actually a bit, you know, it's an alert for those who are actually in the sell position. From here they can close their position or actually risk free that, because the market can actually return from this level and touch this trend line and make its pullback to this, then it continue falling after that. Let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we have. We have our pin bar on 15-minute time frame. Okay, on 5-minute time frame we don't have anything special. 1-minute time frame we still have nothing special, but actually we can enter a sell position with the break of this trend line to the downside on 1-minute time frame. We can enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candles and look for our reward. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis. Thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, which I will be showing you the Tether's dominance chart, which you can actually see that part too and have a nice mindset of market. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days by technical side, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. As you can see here, we are on the USDT dominance chart or Tether chart, okay, Tether dominance chart, and we have this actually triangle for the price. The price broke this triangle to the downside on 4-hour time frame, actually yesterday, and we had this support. The price touched that support and gave us a pin bar like this, a really nice pin bar. Okay, I always say, you know, for second confirmation we should wait for a support to be broken too, then we can actually enter that position. In this one it was a fake out and it touched our support, and then it started going up, showing that actually crypto market is going down because people are selling their crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB and others. And as you can see, USDT is going up. Okay, and we have this trend line for the price with 2 touches on that. If the price can break it to the upside on 4-hour time frame and close the candle up there, we can say that crypto market will actually fall further, and we can see lower prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum and others. We also have some resistances here too, which you can actually draw them like this, and if we see some nice candles on them, we can actually understand that the market is turning, actually returning. Okay, it is uptrend now. It can be, the trend can be changed if we see a nice candle on these resistances, like this pin bar we had on this support, the opposite one on the resistance there, or a nice red candle showing that the price got rejected from this level. Yeah, it was all about USDT dominance analysis of today. Let's move to the next part, the actually Bitcoin dominance part, and see what happened there. Guys, before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin, and if you have any questions you can ask me there. We have this resistance for Bitcoin dominance chart, which you can see the price got rejected several times, once here, second time here, and a third time here. So we draw this resistance area. In the future, if we see some nice candles on that, we can understand that Bitcoin dominance is getting rejected from this level. And also we have this trend line for the price. With the break of it to the downside, we can see the Bitcoin dominance price falling, and also we have these supports for the price. If we see some nice candles on them, like a pin bar or a nice green candle, we can understand that Bitcoin dominance will go up, and also this one here. So if, you know, Bitcoin dominance fall, we can understand that people like to buy altcoins rather than buying Bitcoin. Okay, but if Bitcoin dominance go up, we can understand that people like to buy Bitcoin rather than buying altcoins. Okay, that is a difference, that you can mix these analysis like Bitcoin dominance, USDT dominance, and Bitcoin itself, and even Ethereum. You can mix the analysis and get the result. Actually, then you can trade based on them and get better results. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will be really happy to answer your questions. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.